Hey guys, sorry, this is kind of see through so you can see my bra. Don't worry about that. Anyways, um, I was gonna do a this or that perfect guy edition because it's Valentine's and all that stuff. But my phone has decided to die really fast, so I think that means it's time for getting a new phone. So, anyways, plan B is I'm going to show you what I got in my Birchbox and a mini haul. I got some few things I just wanted to share. But I got my Birchbox early this month. I got it the 8th. So, let's get started. So, this is the box. Very, very pretty and colorful. Oh, and by the way, we are doing good just in case you want to know that uh we're having a winter storm. Hope you guys are doing okay over where you are. Here right here right now. Nothing. Different parts of Washington State are getting snow. And I'm mad about that because I want snow. Um, anyways, let's get on to the Birchbox for this month. So what is this? The official press button haul for press for. Oh, you put your name. Oh, pause. Oh, it's like a self care thing to take care of yourself. Oh, that's so cool. I think that's cool. So this is what I got. Not very much. Ooh, excuse me. Very pretty orangey, peachy color. Alright. First thing first is the eyeshadow. I'm not too crazy about this, probably give it to my sister, but I like purple, but woo. So then it comes in here, which is weird. Right. So this color, let me take the plastic off because I didn't. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Oh, thank you. Don't know why I did that. So this is the eyeshadow, very pretty purple. This is Ice Cube shadow in Starry, cause like a night sky with stars. Add some glitter. I think it does. So it's very pretty. Um, not my jam. So I might get this to my glitter shadow. Um, plus I don't do glitter. So I'll give that to my sister. The full size is $7.99, but it's still pretty, no doubt about it. It's pretty, but it's just not me. Next is this um lip gloss. It's very pretty packaging. Um, it's lip ice, and it's called glazed. Um, it's very pretty. This is very pretty. I would like to wear this. This is very pretty. This looks like a full size. Thank you. I know. You need to be charged. Yeah. Full size is $10. Ooh, nice application. Ooh, I like that. I like these kind of applications. So it's just easy to. Ooh, it smells like cupcake. But that's pretty. I like that. That'd be nice. Okay. Next is this. Oh, I haven't had this brand in a while. Hydrating mask. I used to get that stuff I used to get a lot of samples from this company. The full size is $19. is a refreshing gel mask, deep hydration. Um, leaves your skin soft and moisturized and all that good stuff. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, leave it on your face to 10 to 15 minutes and then just remove area, massage, or your cotton. Okay. Alright. Whatever. That's that. That'd be nice. Alright. Next is this giant thing. I swear, it's like the hugest sample ever. God, Lord. This is another Tokyo brand. It's the perfect repair leave-in treatment. Full size is $16. It deep strength hair with a lightweight leave-in nourishing rich oil. I'm just gonna say whatever I just said. And vegan something. leave leave your hair soft and healthier. Use as the first step to clean and damp hair. Okay. So you can use as first step on clean or damp hair. Okay. So that's that. Oh, and on here it also says color safe. So that's that. But it's just so huge. And it's cruelty free. But it's just a huge thing. Oh. That was very satisfying. Sorry, that was bad SMR. But it's just a little pump. But that's cool. I like to try that out. Alright, last thing is another product I didn't want in my box, but a sample that you choose a sample, but this guy was a sample that I'm like, I don't want. No, I have it in my box, which is okay. It's okay to still try something. As a rose, excuse me, peeling gel. Full size is $19. It's gentle. It helps with pores. Helps with dead skin. Apply to dry, clean skin. Massage it for 2 minutes before rinsing. Oh, it's like one of those. Packaging is okay. Could be a little bit better though. Let's see what's on the back. Let's see. Wow, these are really tiny words. Oh, there we go. Let's see. It's animal cruelty free, gluten free, all that good stuff. It says on the back all the good stuff is. Just want to let you know. So I'll see how this goes. And this goes, and this is kind of awkward. Anyways, I hope you guys like what I got in my box, and if you want to see any reviews, just let me know. I'm very thankful that you guys liking my grocery hauls. I just put up one yesterday, just a little bit of groceries that I got a couple days ago, just in case if we had the snow, at least I have some more healthy options. I'm doing really good. I'm starting with the food. The food is more important, and then I will um, do some exercise. But I need to do the food first because I need to control that, especially with my snacking. Um, so yeah, I'm doing good. We're doing good. And yeah, I hope you guys like what I got. Remember Birchbox? Oh, and also mini haul here. Forgot to show you. I finally got some razors. Don't judge me. Yes, I've been using one freaking razor. I don't know how many years. I know it's not good, but did it rust? No. Did it still hurt? No. It's still shaved and all that stuff. But I finally got some refills. And I got some nose doodads because I've been running out. And plus, oh my god, it's so gross. It's so gross. When I did it once, ugh, so gross. Anyways, and then I want to try this out, for damaged hair, because that's what I have. So I'm like, ooh, this is nice. It repairs damaged hair. This is what I need. I like trying these like little samples doodads to see if I like it and stuff. So anyways, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys liked what I have and all that good stuff. I love you guys. Be safe. Please be safe. And take care of yourself. I love you guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.